Our first topic has to do with snow. In coastal Antarctica, some snow is green. And while small amounts of green snow have been visible for years, it's starting to spread across the continent because of climate change. The vibrant color is caused by microscopic algae blooming across the surface of the snow. The team found that the distribution of green snow algae is strongly influenced by marine birds and mammals because of their poop, as it works as fertilizer. Over 60% of the blooms were found near pigeon colonies and other were found near birds' nests. As the planet warms and more of the Antarctica snow melts, the algae will spread. And while some algae will be lost to areas that lose snow, much more will be gained. Right now, it is unclear how the spreading algae will affect the planet. Telescope time. NASA's Troubled Space Telescope will be renamed Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope in honor of NASA's former chief of astronomy, astronomer Nancy Grace Roman, who passed away in 2018. She joined NASA in 1958, where she became one of the chief architects of NASA's Space Telescope program. The Roman Space Telescope is currently funded through to September 2020, with a planned launch in the middle of the 2020. Bee time. Researchers found that when deprived of pollen, bumblebees will nibble on the leaves of flowerless plants. The damage done seems to fool the plant into flowering, sometimes up to 30 days earlier than normal. When researchers tried to emulate the damage done to the plants by the bumblebees, they weren't able to achieve the same results. The bumblebee-damaged plants flowered 30 days earlier than undamaged plants and 25 days earlier than the one damaged by scientists. The research team believes there may be something else going on here with the nibbles. Onto the mini-topics. NASA and 2 other space agencies are looking for 24 volunteers to lie in a bed for 2 months as part of a study. Volunteers will be paid about $19,000. During the 2 months, the volunteers will live in a single room, but will be divided into groups. One group will be rotated around a centrifuge similar to an artificial gravity chamber. The other group will not be moving. And people must eat, exercise, get dressed, and even shower while laying flat on their bed. The beds will also be tilted slightly. On Thursday, SpaceX shared a time-lapse video of the Falcon 9 Crew Dragon capsule going vertical at Launchpad 39A, the same spot where the final space shuttle mission launched in 2011.